We have a special project complete behind us right here. This is a Lamborghini Revuelto, and it is complete kitted out with a Duke Dynamics carbon fiber body kit. This needed a lot of extra love. It is not a $200,000, $100,000 Mansory kit. You see a lot of Revueltos with Duke Dynamic kits out there, but honestly, it looks crazy. This car is insane. It looks so menacing that like there's nothing else looks like this in the world right now. Carbon fiber, front lower lip down there. Whole hood has been changed. This car is actually a Viola Parsify, so it's a purple colored Revuelto underneath. We wrapped it in this satin black, but the whole hood is wrapped satin black, and then the exposed vents over there. These are not real vents, obviously, so no water gets in there. It's safe, but it's just for looks. Big side skirts that protrude out. We have that big wing over there, which is very controversial on this kit because you change the whole engine bonnet and then it extends out with a carbon fiber wing. So you don't actually mess with the stock wing. All the settings are good. This car has no errors, no problems. And then obviously the one thing that this kit has that everybody wants is that rear tail light situation. It has 4 carbon fiber fins that go to the fins of the diffuser, the stock diffuser, and then you wire them up and they light up and they're very bright. They have a crazy design to them. We wired this one so it's always on. And then the final piece of the pie is the RDB Revolver wheels. Really, really badass wheels. Stock tire fitment, but more aggressive offset. So it is flush, really, really flush. It has a fake center lock too. If you guys don't know, the Revueltos don't have center lock right now. And doing a fake center lock on them looks so much better. That's what this car is. We have another Revuelto at the shop that already has a Duke kit on it. It's actually matte black with red as well. But that car, the kit was installed elsewhere and it's got a lot of issues. So we're gonna be fixing that as well as the lights. The lights are not working. So there you have it. Really badass Revuelto. I'm sure there's gonna be more modified Revueltos after this. Hit us up if you want RDB Revolver wheels, you want the Duke kit, you want any of the kits, hit us up. Revuelto finished up at the shop on a Friday night. The car needed a detail and to be towed in the morning to Vegas. So I actually drove the car home last night. And Junior over here washed the car right now, detailed it nicely. And the truck is here to take it to Vegas. And these little panels right here, you see that we added on from the Duke kit. They stick out like a good 2 inches from the car. It's wider than the tire actually. And it's gonna hit right here on the bed. So we're gonna remove these. There's 6 screws. And we're gonna get the tool. Our pal's transporting it, we're just gonna put it back on. So it's quite a Saturday morning, but we gotta work, right? So yeah, car's detailed, but it's gonna go with missing rocker panels for now.
¿Qué pasó, Butterfly? ¿Qué pasó, Mr. Miyagi?
Hey, I was thinking that too. I was gonna say it. I swear to God.
So, but I said it first.
I thought it first.
Just cleaning. Finish this one. Look at the flares. We
did a lot of cutting.
A little bit because it's a
Rubbing?
rubber. Always, you know, if we change the tires, we put a little bit bigger tires, so that's gonna happen. Always, that's gonna happen. I was thinking, and don't change the tires. Like that, we don't have to do this kind of thing, you know. Hey, we have the fake exclusion grandma's sunglasses. If you see the sunglasses, those yours, okay? I bring it. I break. I broken. My own.
I broke it.
No fake.
Prescription?
Prescription. Nah, no fake. The right ones. I broken. I use some only for little things, not always. Oops. Sorry for you. Sunglasses. No. Eyeglasses.
Eyeglasses.
No, the other way. Yeah, like that way, you're good. Porsche is done, brake job is done. Time for a test drive.
Behind me we have this Range Rover. This car was actually wrapped before and it belongs to Alex Warren. If you guys haven't heard of him, he has one of the biggest songs in the world right now, Ordinary. It's all over social media and he's doing big things. So Alex, shout out to you. This car, we did a full 1016 Industries wide body kit on it previously and we had wrapped it and painted it in this color right here. As you can see, really cool color. It's kind of like a shark gray matte. He wanted to change it up. It's only been 6 months, 7 months, but he wanted to change it up to now this brown color. And this is a really, really nice color from Hexus. It's like a satin brown, one of the nicest browns you could get in there. We're gonna be doing more of a brown and black theme this time around, not a full body color. It's gonna be clean, different look. Unfortunately, when you do a wide body kit like this, you glue on parts. So we have to unglue them, which ungluing doesn't work very easily. It could cause things to break, and if they break, we have to fix them out of pocket, so we take that risk for our clients. Some guys would try to probably wrap it with the body kit on there, but the right way is to remove it. So we're gonna be removing all the flares and stuff. But for now, we're doing the doors. As you can see, the flares are still on there, and those will be wrapped too, so stay tuned.
Well, I told you guys.
Oh, I did.
Put the bet on the Pacers.
Put all of it on the
What
Pacers.
didn't you do though?
We didn't place the bet because we're idiots. $1,000 would have gotten you $4,600.
You would have been happy all day today.
You would have been in the best mood.
I'm not listening to anybody. But I guarantee you one thing. If we had put a lot of money, we would have lost yesterday.
No, bro.
No.
No.
Fucking Halliburton, he's done it a million times.
He always does that. Yeah. Like last second, he doesn't do good throughout the whole game, and then the last minute he'll like do his rescue shot.
Shay choked.
Yeah, he did. Choke. Mad.
Last shot.
I really thought you did place a bet too.
Next season, we're not doing parlays anymore.
Yeah,
We're gonna do
we're
straight
gonna
games, straight wins. It's better.
All right, game 2. Who's gonna win?
OKC.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's gonna put on that?
When's the next game?
OKC will win next game. Sunday. 5 o'clock. So at 4 o'clock, you start having a couple of beers. Get ready. Order some food.
Are you
You
placing
put
a bet?
500 on it?
You know what?
At least 500.
Oh, and by the way, now Indiana's
So,
thing,
Yeah.
Indiana's difference,
last night it was
went down to half now because they
Yeah.
won yesterday. So if you put $100 on Indiana for the next game, you're only gonna win $272 versus $100. Well, that was gonna get you $600, $700. That's crazy.
Damn, you could have had a lot of money right now.
That would have not came today. The season was bad. We had a bad season this next season we're straight bets.
Yeah.
I was like, cause when I was
We won $1,000 and we lost about 17,000. So this year was bad.
Really bad.
$56,000 car.
You're gonna buy it?
No, I wish I could afford this. This would be good.
It's a good family car.
It is. All right, guys. So we have a beautiful Land Rover Defender right behind us. And we're not doing anything crazy on this one. We're doing a couple of blackout pieces, including the wheels, all 5 wheels. So 4 wheels, the spare in the back also, and we have a couple of pieces in the front. Silver piece in the front, rear in the back as well, rear piece in the back as well. That's it. Nothing crazy, but it's gonna look really good.